Hi, welcome to Scrapbook.com. I'm excited to show you our new release of stencils. We'll start here with our new Snowflake Stencil. Check this out. It is a gorgeous pattern of different stencils, different styles and different designs and sizes. And it's kind of a flurry all over the page. It's a 6x8 size, which is perfect for doing all over your cards, all over your project pages. This is one of my favorite ones. This is a gorgeous Snowflake 6x8 Scrapbook.com exclusive stencil. And I'd like to show you a few examples. This we have an debossed. She took the stencil and ran it through a die cutting machine to emboss it. So it's embossed on one side and then on the other it's debossed. And they took a ink pad and just kind of swiped it across to create that grungy look. That's so beautiful. Another example we have here is a vintage style with the stencil, and they used kind of some texture to put over the stencil and created this beautiful background for their card, and then did some embossing ink and white embossing Merry Christmas with our Merry Christmas stamp. That is beautiful. Next, we have our heart stencil. This is a beautiful design of hearts, little hearts all over. This is great for making cards and your projects as well. And I want to show you some examples using this stencil. We have this adorable card, and it has the stencil heart all over, and then the stencil was adjusted over to create the different colors. It's beautiful. And then on here, same kind of concept. We have the stencil on there, and then she just adjusted it slightly to create this 3D effect with the hearts. Love that. Here's our next stencil. This is the herringbone design. This is great and really trendy for like house designs right now. So I love how that looks on the back of a card or a scrapbook project. This is perfect. I'm going to show you a few examples here. We've got the stencil. It was sprayed with inks, and then the stencil was put on top of the paper with the wet side of the ink, and it created this gorgeous background. And again, here we have the same thing with pastel colors. Beautiful design in the background. And then here you can kind of see it's solid. Perfect for all your cards and projects. Next, we have our gorgeous trees stencil. This is so fun for the holidays and for winter. It's got the little trees all over, different styles of trees, plus the little dots with the snow. So it looks like a snow is falling through a forest. And some examples I have to show you using this stencil is she ran it through her die cutting machine and created this embossed texture effect, and it looks beautiful on her card. And then she used ink for the other side and just used the stencil to ink right through there. Okay, and here on this beautiful card, she used the stencil and she again adjusted it just slightly to the right and created this 3D effect with white ink and with green ink, and it looks so pretty on her card. That created a beautiful background. Looks like a magical forest. And here we have the stencil used with ink, and then on top of that, some Stencils glitter. It looks so pretty. It gives that glittery, fun effect for the holidays. And here we have our Scallop Stencil. This is so fun. You can use this for a ton of different backgrounds and get creative. But I just want to show you it in use and how fun it is to use our blending tool to just blend some ink easily on our stencils. They just glide over the top of them and do such a beautiful effect. And I'm going to show you how simple and easy this is just to get a clear, crisp effect of this Scallop stencil. I mean, imagine that all over with a pretty card and making it a background. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this one. And here is our Honeycomb Stencil. This is a really cute design. It's got the intricate honeycomb pattern all over, 6x8 size. Again, perfect for all occasions. But just look how beautiful this yellow is. I mean, for spring, you can create a background like this. And I just want to do a quick little sample to show you how beautiful this stencil is. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You can get creative and use this for lots of different things, and even get a little crafty and use different mediums and do some texture. Oh, that would just be beautiful on these background cards or for your scrapbook pages and all of your projects. I hope you liked our newest release of stencils. We're super excited about these and the designs. They are gorgeous. You can get them now on our website at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.